Good
Hello,
morning.
morning.
Yeah, my name is Pastor Philip.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm calling from the diocese coordinators.
which diocese?
That is the diocese India Bishop on WhatsApp.
Okay,
Yeah, we are having a prayer conference meeting by 8:30 tonight. Will you be chance to join?
when?
Today, 8:30 tonight, 8:30 tonight today.
Okay, you are from where, Pastor?
Yeah, yeah. I sent you the prayer numbers to join. You got it?
Okay, so what I have to do?
On the screen of your WhatsApp, take a look, Just take a look, one second of your time.
Okay, that is for what?
That is the prayer numbers to be joining.
Okay,
Got
Pastor,
it?
is this a link to join the meeting?
Yeah. What are the numbers you got?
Pastor, usually we never have to do that for meeting.
What are the
Yes,
numbers you got? Is it 83456 7?
yes,
Eh?
yes. I have the number.
What are the numbers?
55
Yeah,
7011.
yeah. Why you like this?
Yes.
Why you doing like this?
Email ID.
Why you like this? Do you think I'm playing? This is Pastor speaking. Why you playing with me?
What?
You're calling out the wrong code. Why you doing like that?
No. Pastor,
Yeah,
you
brother.
you are a fraud. You are a
Oh my
fraud.
God, why you like this? Do you need to go to church? Why you saying like this? God is going to punish you. What are you
No.
saying?
Let God
You want to
punish
go to
me.
hell?
Let God
You
punish
want to go to
me. I
hell?
have
What are you
just gone
saying?
out from the church. You are a
You
fraud
want to
and a
go to hell?
cheater, a liar.
You want to
I'll
go to hell? Why you feel like this? You
I-
will go to
I'll
hell.
I'll complain you. I'll send this to the police.
Send it to the police. I will catch your son. I will kill your son or your daughter. I will kill him.
Okay. You are not a pastor. You are just a fraud.
If you try me and report me to the police, I will kill your entire family.
You are just a fraud. You are not a pastor. I know your trick.
Get the fuck out of my phone, rubbish person. You're a goat.
No, you are a rubbish person. How the bishop conference will give you to organize a meeting?
You're a very stupid man. You don't answer. You're just a big for nothing goat.
No,
Shut up
no.
this man.
You are a fraud pastor.